Manoj was late for so many times, but this time he hops out bed and his day begins. He is looking forward to meeting his friends and telling them about the fun he had during vacation. He noticed the hands of the clock. He saw that the minute hand, that is the longer hand, is on 12 and the shorter hand, that is our hand, is on 7. That means the time is 7 o'clock in the morning. Now, children, you know that in a day there are 24 hours, isn't it? And the hour hand takes 1 hour, that is 60 minutes, to move from one number to the next. It means the hour hand takes 12 hours to go around the clock face once. Is it? It means that it makes 2 revolutions in a day. Now, as you know that minute hand moves faster than the hour hand, it makes 1 revolution every hour. That means 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Also, you know that second hand is the fastest one. It makes 1 revolution per minute. It means 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. When we write time, the hours and minutes are separated using dots called colon. In the given clock, you can see that our hand, that is the shorter arm, is on 10 and the minute hand is on 12. We write this time as 10 colon 00, or you may write as 10 o'clock. Always write the time using colon. For example, 6 double dot 00 is correct. You cannot write this as 6.0. That becomes wrong. Now let's learn how to read and write time in hours. So here you can see minute hand and hour hand both are at 12. The time is 12 o'clock. You can write it as 12 colon 00. Now let's see if minute hand takes 1 revolution and check the position of the hour hand. Where it has come, you can see that it has come to 1. The time shown is 1 o'clock and you can write it as 1 colon 00. Let's see, we will move this minute hand and take 1 complete revolution. Whereas the hour hand move from 1 to 2. The time is 2 o'clock. You can write it as 2 colon 00. Now once again let's move and come back to 12. You can see that minute hand is at 12, hour hand is at 3. The time shown is 3 o'clock, right? Now every time when you notice, then when you read the time or write the time in hours, minute hand is always at 12 and hour hand is on the particular numeral. Say for example, this time is 4 o'clock. 4 at 4, the shorter arm is pointing, but the minute hand is at 12 only. Okay, now can you tell me this time? You can see that minute hand is at 12, but the hour hand is pointing 7. This is 7 o'clock. You can write it as 7 colon 00. Okay. Now tell me this time. You need to think where the hour hand and minute hand is. So hour hand is at 11 and minute hand is at 12. The time is 11 o'clock. 11 colon 00. Now children, can you write the time shown in the clock in two ways as it is shown in clock 1